Good evening, viewers. Today we will learn a concept called copy boundary. So those villages which have single HLB, in those villages we can directly use this copy boundary functionality to automatically make the village boundary as the boundary of that single HLB. So for that we will first log in into our CMMS portal. So this is our CMMS portal where we can see that there is a HLO management menu. Under in this drop down there is called create or view HLB menu is there. So after clicking on create or view HLB we will see this screen. So in this screen there are few of the values that we need to fill before freezing, right? So these are, one is hamlet name, second is estimated population, third one is number of panchayats, after that HLB number. After that we need to submit it. Once we have submitted it, there will be two options. One is update, another one is freeze. As I have already freezed this screen or freeze this menu create or view HLB, so those options are not visible. After freezing only this HLB mapping button will be available, right? So what HLB mapping is doing, what HLB mapping is doing, it is redirecting us from CMMS portal to HLBC web application portal. Web application portal is the portal where we will be doing the actual demarcation and geotagging of HLB. So now I will click here, right? So this click will redirect me to a different portal called HLBC web application portal. So see, this is my web application portal. I will enter the 6-digit OTP which will be sent, which will be received in our registered mobile number and email ID. So see, this is the home page of our web app HLBC web application portal. So here one function is there called map. So here what we'll do, this is the map functionality where we'll be doing the geotagging and demarcation. So these are some of the icons that we'll be using. One is HLB geotagging and second one is HLB demarcation. There are two other icons are there, but mostly these two icons we'll be using in this HLBC web application portal. So first we will do the geotagging, right? So for geotagging we will go to be geotagged, and we will, let's say we will take one village, Kadamtola, right? So in Kadamtola there is one HLB. You can see there is only one HLB, right? So we will click here and you can see this is the village boundary marked in yellow, right? So let's say we will see here one school is there, so we'll keep the landmark in this school only, right? And we'll give here the landmark name, let's say some high school is there, we will give high school, and after that I will change the status to completed and save it. So once we have saved it, you can see that we have moved from geotagging to demarcation, but there is no button of copy village boundary, right? So this is a glitch in this portal, right? So what we need to do, I have a way out to this, how to handle this glitch, right? What we need to do, we will cancel it right here, and then again we will open this HLB demarcation, and then here we will go to be demarcated, and then we will select our village which is called Kadamtola, right? So after clicking here you will be able to see that copy boundary option available, right? See, earlier it was not there, now it is available. So this is the way out we can use to handle this issue, right? So this is our HLB, Kadamtola village. So what we'll do now, I will use this button copy boundary. So you will see that this is the village boundary. This will be considered as a single HLB and it will be completely demarcated with just one click. So now I am clicking here, you just observe it live. It will be asking, are you sure you want to use the village boundary as the HLB boundary? I will say yes. And now see, this is the highlighted section, and this is automatically demarcated by just clicking on this copy boundary option. So after that it's done, I will just complete it and then I will save it. So see, this HLB is completed. So in this way we can use the copy boundary functionality. This is basically used when when if one village is single HLB, in that case we can directly use this copy boundary functionality to demarcate the single HLB. Thank you, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.